For my project this semester, I chose to focus on my mental health. So what I did is I implemented journaling and meditation into my weekly schedule. I did this primarily because it's my first semester at college, especially at Georgia Tech, which is such a rigorous school, and I expected myself to have a lot of stress. Academic validation is a major cause of stress for me, so I knew I needed a way to help balance that. Additionally, living away from home for the first time in a whole new environment is something else I had to add on to my plate, which I knew would be an additional cause of stress. The benefits of adding this to my schedule is it allowed myself to prioritize my mental health and mental well-being and reduce the stress levels I had significantly. So what I did is I added meditation into my weekly schedule, and over the semester I gradually would increase the frequency and duration of my meditation sessions. I also began to journal more, and I implement that into my nightly routine, and this would just give me the opportunity to sit and reflect on my day and life in general. And on each entry I would rate my mental state from 5 and average the values at the end of the week to see my progress. So before I started this project, I journaled in my journal I've had for years, every few months, but it was when I reached like lows in my life. At the beginning of this, however, I started to do it once a week. During I added a few times a week, and now I journal nearly every day, journal and meditate nearly every day, and it's part of my mental routine, my daily routine. As can be seen in the graph, my mental well-being steadily started to increase as the semester went on. These are some various links that you can visit for more information about the benefits of meditation and journaling on your mental well-being. So my goal in this activity was to maintain a steady mental well-being and remain grounded and respond better to stress, and especially in regards to academics and school. What I learned is that it's okay in the end. It's very important to allow myself to breathe and stay grounded in order to better the way I approach and react to life's challenges. Moving forward, I'm going to implement the things I learned through meditation and journaling and allow myself to just breathe and think to every time I feel overwhelmed, especially in regards to school. Thank you so much for listening.